Hello and good afternoon, everyone. We are here at Electroma 2025 and we are having Mr. Rajesh Kumar PD. So let's start this conversation knowing more about the company and their products.
Yeah, this is Rajesh from Ashlok Safe Earthing Electrodes Limited. We are manufacturers and solution providers of earthing electrode and lightning protection system. We are spread across the globe. We have our manufacturing unit at Chennai, two locations, that is Ambattur Industrial Estate and Gumudipundi, and also in Gujarat. So we cater pan-India, you name anywhere to protect any sort of electrical hazard. We are there to give you a solution. So that is our bread and butter.
Okay, and if we talk about like specifically on earthing, so what are your what will be the future outlook for this earthing industry specifically?
Industry as such, if you look at it, wherever you use electricity, you need to have your fault current to be dissipated only through ground. That is the only option. Like as much as electricity and all your electrical products are being used, you need to protect those equipments and even human lives to be protected from lightning thunder or lightning arresters. So we manufacture and give you the solution provider. So we do designing, supply and installation. That is our scope of work. On day in day out we do that.
And sir, what do you think how government is, and their policies are helping you to grow?
See, government, like present government, they are doing extremely well and expansions are happening across the globe for solar industries. A lot of factories, a lot of new ventures are being invited from abroad. It is make in India and we are very proud of it. We are able to expand year by year within at least 20-25% we are able to grow. That is our routine.
That's great to hear. So, and moving forward to our next question, like what is your roadmap for 2025?
Already we have done about 2 months, 10 more months going on. So it looks very bright and international exposure is also happening. You find a lot of international people looking into India where we are solution providers and our products are far more, much better than other countries what they do.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your